what's up? My name's Samuel Leeds and I want to show you the perfect BRR, Buy Refurbish Refinance rent property, which is also a HMO. It's going to be a little small HMO. We're here in Liverpool. It's a nice part of Liverpool, and this house was purchased. By the way, this is not my house. I found it, negotiated with the help of Alistair Cunningham, and we negotiated to buy this for £43,000. Now this is for an investor who's very, very happy. I'm kind of jealous of the house. It's a little small deal, but I thought I'd give you a documentary and show you exactly what's happening. So this is the house, £43,000. It does need a whole lot of work. So come around and I'll tell you what needs to be done. Today is Friday. On Monday, we're gonna rip this whole thing out. We're gonna take the carpets out. We're going to knock it back to brick. We're going to take everything off. We're going to get a new central heating system put in, and we're just going to gut the place. Now, the crazy thing is that builders tend to be pretty slow with refurbs. This house completed on 2 weeks ago. We've got the builders coming on Monday. The electrics have been tested. The structural surveys have all come back. Everything's all good. It was bought from auction at £43,000. Once it's done up, I honestly think it's going to be worth, I'm hoping it's going to be worth about £100,000. It might even be worth more than that. I've got a friend that's got a house in the same street, and his was valued at 110. He used the same builders we're using on this project. So it was bought for 43. Hopefully the value will come in about 100. Even if it comes down at 90,000, it doesn't matter, because the refurb is only going to cost about £30,000. So either way, we're pulling the money back out, and my investor, who owns the property, when he pulls the money back out, what's he going to do? He's going to sing my praises, and he's going to reinvest the money probably into another project that I'll find as well. Why would someone find their own deals when I can find deals for them? This is the lounge. This is going to remain a lounge. Good, open, spacious lounge. That room downstairs is going to be a nice bedroom. We're going to put an ensuite into the bedroom and rent it out, and we're hoping to achieve around about £400 per month. Kitchen needs coming out. Door needs coming off. I might even take this door off right now. Ah, there we go. Jeez, you can see this house is a wreck. It's just falling down. But by the way, this is what's happening Monday. Monday's tear down day. Monday we're going to tear the kitchen out. Monday we're going to tear out the toilet. How does a toilet get like this? How does this happen? I don't know. We're tearing out the shower. We're tearing everything out on Monday, gutting this place, ready to restore it to its former glory in Liverpool. Okay, former glory is probably a bit overkill. So this house, by the way, I'll tell you something. This property was secured on auction last year. No, not last year. This year, I don't know, but it was about almost a year ago. Very, very long time. I think it might have been the beginning of this year. It just shows you that properties can take a long time. You've got to be patient. My investor was saying, "What's happening, Samuel? What's going on? It's taking forever." But the deal was so good, we couldn't pull out of it. We had to keep going. And now, and this is another crazy thing, my investor was saying to me, "Samuel, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on?" We bought it on auction terms, so the price can't change. Over the last 12 months, prices have gone up in Liverpool. This completed 2 weeks ago, £43,000. If we put this back on the market, I reckon we could sell this at £60,000 as it is. As it is. This room is going to be another big. I don't think you can see how big this room is. This is a big room. Another ensuite in here in this room, and this is going to rent out for about £400. David down the road, he's got a property that's renting out. It's the exact same builders. He rented out £400, £400, £500, 3 rooms. So, geez, if we can get that, I'll be very, very happy. Another double room right here. We're going to put an ensuite in this room. Now, we could technically get 4 rooms in this whole house, because there's another room there. A small room. But our plan is, rather than cramming rooms in, what I'm thinking to do is to get big ensuite rooms. What we could do is we could just, I'll show you, we could rent out this as a room. This could be a bedroom. It's 70 square foot. But I'm thinking, let's make this into a big, beautiful ensuite. Like a bathroom, and then a door here, and then the door takes you through to this nice big room. Nice big room. So you got room, ensuite, big. Room, ensuite, big. Downstairs room, ensuite, big. Nice. Value, fingers crossed, come in around about £100,000. If it's downvalued, nothing we can do about that, but we'll try our best. Rent it out. approximately hopefully closer to £500 per room. Well, again, we can't predict the market. It's a crazy time right now, but because we bought the property so cheap, because we bought it at 43 grand, we can only make money on this. We can only make money on this. I mean, houses in Liverpool right now, in this area, even the ones that are run down, they're selling for like 70 grand. 70 grand that are run down like this. So when you buy, that's the thing with the buy, refurbish, refinance rent strategy, you need to buy at the right price. You need to refurbish at the right price. That's what I'm going to be overseeing this to make sure the builders are, are doing their job. I've also got a really good team. The builders will do their job. They're good builders. Shout out to the builders. I'll get them in on the next video. And then you want to refinance at the right price as well. Might be that we try and refinance this on a commercial valuation, but I'll let you know that on a future video. So overall, I'm feeling happy. If you want to learn more about property investment, if you want to learn to find properties like this, you want to negotiate them, whether you want to buy them yourself, package them, sell them to investors like we've chosen to do on this property, you should join me at the Property Investors Crash Course. I'll leave a link in the description. It's free to attend, 2 days with me, and you can do the same. Thanks for watching. If you want to see my entire start to finish buy, refurbish, refinance property that I did in Darlington, you can check that video out right here. You can see the whole process start to finish. If you want to see a playlist of people that I've helped become financially free, I help people become financially free every week. Check them out right here. See you next time. Subscribe. Thanks for watching.